Year-end Review 2022, Ministry of Labour and Employment. E-Shram portal with more than 28.5 crore registered workers. Integrated with NCS portal, Umang mobile application, PM, SYM and DigiLocker. Year-end Review 2022, Ministry of Rural Development. Under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, a total of 11.37 crore households availed employment and a total of 289.24 crore person days employment has been generated. PM louds achievement of the target of establishment of 1.5 lakh wellness centers. The achievement of the target of 1.5 lakh Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers will infuse fresh energy in New India. He said India's prosperity lies in healthy citizens. Comprehensive strategic partnership. PM expresses happiness as India-Australia Economic Cooperation and Trade Agreement comes into force. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RICE Smart Bangla.